part, I discussed about the structure and geographical area of Russia. What is Russia and what the things are going on in the Russia before First World War? I explained. Up to Bolshevik Revolution. Bolshevik Revolution was happened in Russia in 1917 October month. Afterwards, after completion of the Bolshevik Revolution, 1920 up to 1923, I.V. Lenin was continue the ruling, and before that, 1918 to 1920, in Russia, civil war was happened between White Army, that is called Tsar Nicholas Army, versus Bolshevik Army, that is called Red Army. So, in that, I.V. Lenin was succeed. I.V. Lenin was succeed. Afterwards, in 1923, I.V. Lenin was died. Later, Joseph Stalin was come to the power and he was elected as the leader of Communist Party of Russia. In 1924, he come to the power in Russia and he established his own ruling with the dictatorial policies. First of all, he took the step that is called iron step on opposition parties. He suppressed all opposition parties and all other parties, and he was the only single leader in the nation. He implemented drastic developmental policies. Under that, first one, he suppressed all opposition party leader and he formed as a communist party. And in the communist party, only one leader system is there, only one election system is there. Within the party, there must be elections. Remain party members, one party member is elected as a leader of the country, and the remaining party members will go into the serve to the party and serve to the nation. This is the exactly rule implemented by Joseph Stalin. This is a dictatorial tendency. And in 1928, he implemented 5 years of plan for rapid development. Afterwards, he started collective farms. Collective farm means total land is a pool and started the cultivation. And some of the members are not giving the lands to the government, but fruits are there they want. So, but he doesn't neglect all the things. He collected the land from all the landlords and the small farmers. Afterwards, he started the collective farms and he got a good result after 5 years. Afterwards, rapid industrialization is started, especially steel industry, iron industry, especially iron industry is formed in great virtues, for great virtues. And later, due to the rapid industrialization, Russia getting the high position. In first stage, people faced a lot of problems through rapid industrialization. But he started free schooling, primary schooling, universities, high schools and all educational centers established, and free education is provided, and literacy levels of the Russians improved. The growth of the literacy is going on high level due to free schooling system. And afterwards, chief public health programs. It means government hospitals established. He provided free health facilities. So that is provided by Joseph Stalin. After that, price controlling also maintained by Joseph Stalin. It means he fixed the prices of all goods, controlling authority within the hands of the government. There is no private participation. All are maintained by only government sector. There is no private. So that's why price is controlled by the government. There is no introducing of private sector. That is the main thing for development of market and economy. And one more important thing is here, that is Russia is isolated. Russia is isolated country. It doesn't deal with any foreign matters and foreign business. That's why Russia is escaped from Great Depression that's happening in 1929 to 1939. So that is the great result for the development of Russia. And here, very, very important thing. These are all very, very important things for development of Russia. That is nothing but reforms of Joseph Stalin in Russia. Here, important thing, I said one more thing. Some of the Indians are attracted by communism. Who are they? M.N. Roy, Manavendranath Roy, and Tagore and Jawaharlal Nehru. These three members are greatly affected and greatly, involved in communism system. And they went to Russia also to observe the communist policies. M.N. Roy is advisor of communist policies in Russia under Joseph Stalin, and Rabindranath Tagore went to Russia to observe the conditions of Russia, and Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, he went to Russia to observe the fast development of India. For that, he observed the policies of Russian 5 years plannings and structure and administration. And one more important thing, Russia is developed very rapidly due to the cruel policies or important policies maintained by Joseph Stalin here. But one thing, in Russia, the people internally thinking about Stalin is a devil. Why? For the development of Russia, he suppressed a lot of categories of the people. That's why a writer, that is George Orwell, wrote Animal Farm. It is a satire, ironic or satire novel written by George Orwell. In this book, he wrote different types of ideas and his suppressed policies of Joseph Stalin and his followers. So that is Russia. This is the second part I explained. I will give some answers to you in next coming chapter.